So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in disk cleanup. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to select your C drive and then click on OK. Now once this comes up, you want to tick everything. So tick all these boxes and then click on clean up system files. Select your C drive again and then click on OK. Wait for this. And again, once this comes up, just tick everything again and then click on OK. And then click on delete files. Just wait for this to load. As this is loading, we can do the next steps. So for the next step, go to search and type in add remove programs. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to set the filter by to your C drive. You want to remove any applications that you don't use. For example, I don't use the calculator, so I'm going to click on the three dots, uninstall, then I'm going to uninstall it. You want to uninstall all the applications in this list that you don't use. There might be some important Microsoft applications, I would keep those ones. Next, you want to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. Once you're on this, on the left hand side, go to your downloads folder. You can delete all the files here that you don't need in your downloads folder. Next, you want to go to search and type in run. Click on it. Now, you want to type in temp in this box and then click on enter. These are your temporary files. You can delete everything here. So do Ctrl A on your keyboard and then delete. Next, go to search, type in run, click on it. This time, you want to type in %temp% and then click on OK. And then do the same thing. Ctrl A, delete. Take this box, do this for current items, and then continue. If some items cannot be deleted, then tick the box and then click on skip. We're going to do it one more time. Go to search and type in run, click on it. This time, you want to type in prefetch and then click on OK. And then continue. Again, Ctrl A, delete. Next, you want to go to your desktop and you want to find a recycle bin. Right click on it and then click on empty recycle bin and then click on yes. And then continue if you get this. For the last step, go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you want to type in power cfg space -h space off and then click on enter. Next, you want to go to search and type in storage settings. Click on it. You want to click on storage sense. Scroll down and then click on run storage sense now. As this is running, we're going to go back to storage. Click on clean up recommendations. If there's anything here it recommends you to clean, it will tell you. You can then delete it. Go back to storage and then expand show more categories. You can just search for all of here to see what you can remove. So just remove anything here that you don't need, and then that's how you do it.